Good morning. It's an absolute stunner of a morning this morning. I'm out here again on Georgian Bay. I'm on my own. Again, I'm doing some exploring, kind of like my last video, but I'm gonna go and explore a different area that I want to check out. I need some fives. I need some 5-pound smallmouth. I need some 5.5-pound smallmouth, if not bigger. But this is definitely the place to do it. So we're gonna give her a go. It's already hot. It's supposed to get about 25 degrees Celsius today. Those spots that I fished last, if you've seen the video in the last video, are kind of in my back pocket. I just need to discover some other areas now with some much bigger fish. So let's do it. It's going to be a nice day. There, 30 feet, dropping. There's a fish. Oh. Pod of these guys. That's what I'm talking about. There is a pile of them down there. I can see them. I'm only running 6-pound test on here. Come here, bud. Nice fish. Look at them all down there. There's a good chunk. Smoothie. These hooks are. I get them good, okay. Oh, that's probably a 3. There you go, he'll be all right. All right. They're on that flat here, real shallow flat. Oh, there's a fish right in front of me. It's kind of what I'm trying to do here, is just push some fish. Oh, look at him there. Oh, there he is there. That's a big one. Look at him. Come on. That's a good one. Okay, he's going for it. He's going for it. Got him. I got him. That's a nice fish. Wow. Look at that. Big one. Oh, there's another one following, see? That's what I'm talking about, finding fish. Look at that. Woo-wee. Wow, that's a good one. Nice. Man, he's not. Ooh. Oh, he's right up underneath the boat. Hey, dude. I'm gonna put that guy. That's a big one. Big old blackie. Black smallmouth. Oh boy. Now he's putting up a fight. Now he's putting up a fight. Only got 6-pound test line on here, like I said. I don't like fighting fish like that long because it stresses them out. But I'm not the one who calls the shots here. He's there he is. Come over here there, big boy. Let me touch you. Look at that. Turn the levels off. If I had a come here. Oh yeah. There you go. There's a chunk. Bet you that's a 4.5, maybe even 5. Let's put him on a scale. Without losing some rods here. Okay. 5.3. Come on. I'll put it in here for now. Five, 3. That's what you need. You need 5 of that right there to win this tournament. Okay. So took a little time out there for a bit on the cameras, and fished a few different areas, caught some fish, and then I decided to come just exploring this hump over here, and it's been non-stop. Been getting them on a spinnerbait, and then I went back with a drop shot. So it's been like one after the other, but no quality. That's what I'm looking for, is quality. I got a hit. I got slapped. This feels like a better quality fish here. Oh yeah, oh yeah, donkey. Big fish. Yeah, this is a big fish. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. Oh, he's not too big. Oh, he's big enough. I'll take him. What do you figure? Hey? I wonder if that's the one who slapped my spinnerbait. Put a scale on him and see. Oh, scale's right there. $3.10. $3.10. Not big enough. I wonder if it's him who slapped mine. He slapped my spinnerbait at first. There's a fish right there. Can't beat a spinnerbait bite. other one beside him. Oh my god. Look at the other one beside him. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, he's still down there. God, he's eating me up to try. That is insane. Look at the size of him. He's still down there. He's over there. This is a decent fish. Look at the other one. Oh, it's killing me. Look at him. Look at him. He just dwarfs this one. Come here, smallmouth. Come here, boy. Yeah. That's a chunk. Holy cow. Excuse me for a second. Fat belly on that guy. There's a fish. Let's see here. Okay. That drop shot down there. That freaking fish is huge. Excited. God, out of it. They're stacked on here. Look at the size of that. Rolling the pontoon over here. I don't want them to see that. £6 test line, you can't horse these guys around. Big boys. See you? Look at the girth on that guy. He is heavy. Four, 8 on the scale. I'm just going to throw him in the live well for now. What a chunk. Look at the chunk. Hey. How's that for a chunk? Look at the size. Look at the girth on him. Big belly. Big belly. Ciao, bud. So I'm just nose hooking it just through the nose here. That's it. Got to keep cool. Really? There's a fish right there. Feels good. That's a good one. I was starting to wonder if there's going to be any fish over here. That's a good one. Probably a 3. God, they're strong. You got to love it. Unbelievable. Weird, there, donkey. He's not a long fish, just short and super. See what I mean? You're just stocky. Just curious to see what that guy was. Three pounds, 3 ounces. Oh, you got me wet. There's another fish right there. Little guy, small one. They're so strong. You figure you can boat flip it, but it doesn't happen that way. Little guy. So much power. So this spinnerbait here is a titanium wire Excalibur, I believe it is. Well, guys, had a great day. It was a real scorcher, that's for sure. I'm gonna start working my way back there now, and it was awesome. Had a great day. Found some really good spots. I mean, I think I'm pretty good now where I am as far as like not really learning the area. There, I got a small portion that I know, and I found some fish I'm very happy with. I'm sure those areas will produce some bigger fish too. So I'm gonna hit a route. Probably gonna hit a couple of other spots on the way back, and yeah. So it was an awesome day. Thanks for joining me again, and we'll see you on the next one. Take her easy.